Oakland's Chinatown is tucked into downtown, surrounded by traffic and construction. We don't have a Dragon Gate like San Francisco, no grand entrance. But we have our people.
Even before Chinese came during the gold rush, there were already anti-Chinese feelings in America.
以前係6點都仲有人喺度坐嘅，而家4點已經走晒㗎啦已經。
呢種情係一種環境逼出嚟嘅，所以就成立咗呢個藍添市。
你 discriminate 你，我唔代表我就要怕你。
我打電話忍嗰陣過住嚟。
爸爸，你说现在治安那么差了，以后还会有唐街吗？